a few companies in the world that I've had my eye on for a very long time. There's all these videos on the internet of these amazing explosive demolition projects, these power stations, these stacks. There's stacks implode into each other. These are cooling towers, which leverage airflow to remove heat from the plant's water. Let's go into the tower to learn how they'll eventually implode them.
So we're now at the 15-meter level, which is above the packs.
In one of the 8 cooling towers.
Yeah, so there's 8 towers on this site.
Yeah.
And the actual structures themselves are 100 meters tall. So we're now at the 15-meter level. Below us here, you've got mist eliminator, which is like a honeycomb plastic material that ultimately reduced the amount of steam that came up into the tower itself.
Okay. So what you guys are doing, this will be imploded in what, next year?
Yeah, beginning part of next year.
Beginning part of next year. This is cooling tower 3. To provide more context, we were standing above the level that's above us right now. All of these supports are eventually going away to make way for the demolition process of this cooling tower and all 8 on site.
Once that's all removed, we will sort of take control of these structures then for drilling for the blasting process.
Okay. And you'll be drilling holes all the way around the structure?
In certain sections.
In certain sections. And you'll put the explosives into those holes?
Yeah, place explosives in those holes, connect it all up.
So you're essentially just kicking out the bottom and allowing it to fall in on itself?
Yeah.
So gravity does most of the work?
Yeah, and introducing effectively a stress razor in the shell itself that then just continues the collapse of the shell itself.
Okay, so the collapse starts from the bottom and then works its way up as it falls into itself?
Yeah.
Wow. And when people hear explosive demolition, they just assume you guys just come in here and put dynamite everywhere and just blow it all up.
Yeah.
But there's a lot of work that goes into getting it to that point.
A lot of preparation. There's far more preparation. I mean, like, the actual explosive event sort of takes 2 weeks of on-site preparation, but of charging. But there'll be months and months of backroom and pre-engineering work that goes into the actual project to be completed.
Okay. The stacks will eventually be imploded as well?
Yeah, so they'll be pulled out explosively. Probably one of the last structures on site when we freed up some space for them to collapse into.